All right, Maggie, solve this system by substitution. For 17, y equals -8, so you're going to plug -8 in for y. But the key here is that you're doing x squared plus -8 squared. And -8 squared is not -64, it's positive 64. So positive 64 minus 64 like you did, that's good. You get 0. But this was originally an x squared, so you drop the squared there. So now you add the 128 to both sides. And now you get x squared equals 128. Then you square root both sides. You get plus or minus, and then you can simplify the radical. So yeah, you just drop the squared there. For number 21. Alright. Oh, you just wrote the problem wrong. So you just dropped a negative there. It's -7 equals -x squared minus y. So that's probably why you got that one wrong. So yeah, when you plug in this, let's see, you plugged in this for y, so you subtracted, so yeah, there should be a negative here, so that'll make a difference. So now when you combine like terms, you'll get -2x squared minus 1. And then you can move all of them to one side, or really we just need to solve for x. We can add 1, -6 equals -2x squared, divide by -2, and we get 3 equals x squared, square root both sides, and we get x equals plus or minus the square root of 3. I don't know if that's the right answer in the back of the book or not. And actually, I take that back. You need to plug that in for y then. I don't know if that's right or not. I'm not like, oh, let me look. I can look at the answers. 21. That's not right. I'm not sure. But you copied the problem wrong, so that's your error right there. Oh, right here, you have to distribute the negative, so that's actually a +1. So that's why. Alright. So, then we'll subtract 1, and we get -8 equals -2x squared. And we get 4 equals x squared. Square root both sides, and we actually get x equals plus or minus 2. And then you'll have to go back and plug 2 in up here for x. So we get 4 minus 1, so we get y equals 5. And then we get -2 squared is 4 minus 1. Sorry. Yeah, x is plus and minus 2. And then, sorry, when you plug in 2 here, you get 4 minus 1, which is 3. So you get that for both points. So 2, 3, and -2, 3. And those are my solutions. Okay, so you just, that was your error. You forgot to distribute the minus here, and then you wrote the problem wrong. 23. Let's check that you wrote it right. Yep, that's good. So when you solve for, let's see, you solved for y here. I would probably just solve for x since it's already x. So it might be a little easier to just subtract 3y. And now we have x equals 21 minus 3y, and I'll plug that in for x here. 21 minus 3y. Sorry, that's really small, but hopefully you can see that. So then you'll have 21 minus 3y quantity squared, make sure you FOIL it, plus y squared equals 7, and then you can do the math. What's your other question? 33. Okay. Solve the system by elimination. So we have y equals -3x squared. I hate these pencils. -3x squared minus 30x minus 76. And y equals 2x squared plus 20x plus 44. So you're going to have to do some multiplying to... Oh no! Y's! The y's will cancel. So let's actually multiply this whole equation by a negative, changing the sign. And now when we add the y's, they'll cancel. And we get 3 plus 2 is 5x squared. That's 50x. And then 120. And then you can actually divide out of 5 out of all of those and then hopefully factor it. If you can't factor it, you can use the... if you can't factor it, you can use the quadratic formula, but Oh yeah, 10 and 6 will add to 24. So x plus 6, x plus 4. Or sorry, they'll multiply to 24 and add to 10. So now we have 0 equals 5. So then we get x equals negative 6 and negative 4. I'll just check to make sure that that's right. Yeah, 4. Nope, that's not right. No, well, 30. Nope, hang on, 33. Yep, that's right. And then you'll plug those in for x to get y. I don't care where you plug them in. I think they'd probably be easiest to plug in there, but it's up to you. So just make sure you find the y's, and then those are your ordered pairs. All right, hopefully that helps. You said I'm not sure where the other set of points came from in number 27. I don't know what you mean by other set of points. Oh, because right here, 2x, you have to set that equal to 0 as well. 2x equals 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. So then, let me just check 27. Yep, that's where it comes from. So then you plug in 0 for x, and you get y equals 5. So that's the point 0, 5. All right, hopefully that helps. I hope that's clear. It went kind of fast, and I didn't have a whole lot of room, so hopefully you can see my work there. I hope that's helpful.